Hello guys and welcome on Inverter cooking modes overview on the microwave LG. So the first inverter function, the 1 and 1, this is a roast jacked potatoes. The next one is a roast beef, roast chicken, roast lamb, roast pork and roast vegetables. Number 2, it's for a popular menu. The 2-1 is a chicken legs, the 2-2 is a julienne in bun, the pork fillet, potato gratin, a ratatouille, rice or pasta, stuffed tomatoes and stuffed zucchini. Number 3 of the inverter is a softened milk, and there you have the softened cream cheese, the softened ice cream, the melt butter and melt chocolate. The next one, the last 4, there you have for 1 the croissant, cheese sticks, chicken nuggets, frozen lasagna, frozen pizza thick, frozen pizza thin, salmon fillets and shrimps. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment and goodbye.